All right, so welcome to the video. This video is going to be about elongation during our last stage of protein synthesis, which is translation. So during elongation, our tRNAs are going to bring in our appropriate amino acid. So the amino acid is going to be based on our mRNA codon, which of course is on our messenger RNA strand. So usually methionine is going to be our start codon. So this is when the process is going to start. Then we're going to enter our A site. So our A site is that light blue right there with that amino acid right there. So that tRNA is going to come to that position. It's going to link up with that mRNA codon. That tRNA is going to have something called an anticodon with it, which is going to be complementary to the mRNA codon. So it's going to come in with that amino acid on top. It's going to be that number 4 right there in the A group. What's going to happen is in order to move from the A site to the P site, ATP, so adenosine triphosphate, is going to it's going to need to break down into AMP, adenosine monophosphate, so it can catalyze this process. So, right, so eventually the A site is left vacant, and then the number 4 peptide or amino acid is moved to the P site. But that took energy. It's from so ATP was broken down from ATP to AMP. And right, so now we are in the P site, we have a growing chain, and this process is going to continue. But what's going to happen is the E site is going to be the exit site. So from once we have our chain growing and we have the A to P consistently transferring, the old tRNAs are going to be discarded into the cytoplasm where they're going to be degraded. All right, so that's the general process. So we're going from A to P to E, and energy is necessary in the form of the breakdown of ATP to AMP. Oops. So right, we're starting with A site, breaking ATP to AMP. This will allow to transfer from the A site to the P site. Our old tRNA is going to be discarded, like I said, it will degrade. And then our peptide chain is growing on the P site, and that is our future protein. And just keep in mind, our starting site for the chain is going to be our C terminus, and then our end site is going to be the N terminus. All right, cool. Hope this helped.